Hello friends, I am Ganesh Bodke, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Economics. In my last YouTube channel, I already covered some basic concept of agribusiness management. Please don't forget my first video for your better understanding of the basic concept of agricultural economics of agribusiness management course. In these videos, or this is my second video of course of agribusiness management. In this video, I will cover the second topic of agribusiness management, means importance of agribusiness management in Indian economy or agriculture Indian economy, and other concept, for example, agro-based industries, their type, concept, classification, need of agro-based industries. I will cover in these videos. First of all, see the what is the importance of agribusiness in Indian economy. The agro-based industries are considered an extended arm of agriculture, but in India they have received as much attention of as a agriculture. Then, while agriculture contributes about 70% of GDP in Indian economy, they are about 70% of GDP in Indian economy. Its value added by the processing industries is only a 8% of total food production. In India, only 2% of horticulture product are processed, and more than 30% of production is wasted due to lack of the storage and processing facilities. In the India, only 2% horticulture products are the processed, or more than 30% of the product are wasted due to the lack of the storage and processing facilities. So here in this point we can clearly seen that the how much importance of agribusiness in Indian economy, because you can start our business of storage, processing, we can reduce the wastage of the agriculture. So we can establish the different types of agro-based industries, can reduce the wastage of agriculture product. Then third point is the third importance of agribusiness in Indian economy. The global market is enormous for the sugar, cotton, tea, processed foods as like squash, jelly, honey. The market for processed proceeds, meat, spices, fruit is equally large. So in this point about the market of different processed product, for example sugar, cotton, teas. So we can establish the different types of agro-based industries. For example, sugar industries, cotton, meal. We can reduce about the wastage of agriculture product or increase the marketing of the this product. Then next, average Indians spend around the 53% of income on food. So we can increase the processing for the agriculture. Then next point, agro-based industries help to processing of agriculture product as like field crop, tree crop, livestock, fishery. Then edible and non-edible oils for usable form, means we can establish the different processing industries for the usable form of different commodities. Then next important, the raw material and commodities produced and market in India are wide range. So paddy, rice, maize, sugarcane, milk, those are the different raw material used in the agro-based industries. So those are the raw material are used in the agro-based industries. Then processing and distribution activities are not only a boosting of farmers income, but they are also helping to get the rid of the middlemen who take the bigger shares of the consumer rupees. The processing and distribution activities are also important for the increasing the agriculture economy of India. The next point is the off farm activities nearly processing and marketing are also increase the economy of the agriculture. Those are the importance of agro-based industries in different form. For example, processing and marketing activities. Then next, service sectors. We can increase the agriculture economy in India. Then next point is the agro-based industries. What is agro-based industries? The first of us we can see in the definition of the agro-based industries. Agro-based industries are those industries which have their direct and indirect link with the agriculture. Agro-based industry means it is industries are those which have direct and indirect link with the agriculture. Means are those industries are directly related to the agriculture, means the industries are used the different raw material are produced from the agriculture. The next point, it is the importance of agro-based industries. Here is the agro-based industries is important, and why is the agro-based industries is important for the farmers or producers. Establishment of agro-based industries is based on the availability of raw material. We can establish the agro-based industries on the basis of the availability of the raw material. Here is the raw material is available, we can establish the agro-based industries of that area. The next, agro-based industry has set up in rural area. Here the raw material is may be available in the penalty, means large amount of raw material are available in that area, we can establish the agro-based industries, or it require for the establishing the agro-based industries in that area. Then third importance, provide the rural population an opportunity for the employees, means we can establish the agro-based industries, we can create an opportunity for the employees for their work. The next importance, generate the income, thereby the improve the economic condition of the people, means we can establish the agro-based industries, we can the people or employees earn their income from that industries, and we can improve their the economic condition. The next important, provide the opportunity to disposal of the industries instead of the concentrating at a particular place. Then next, to solve the problems of exploitation of the farming community and traders and middlemen, means somewhere the traders and middlemen are the take a large charge or big charge from the farmers their services, so we can reduce the this charge from establish the agro-based industries in the rural area. Farmers could be assured about the better price from their produce, means we can establish the agro-based industries in the rural area. Farmer can directly sell their produce in the industries or take a better price for his produce. Here is the importance, or that is the important point of the agro-based industries. Our next importance, to encourage to bring more and more areas where the crop agriculture production and improve the nation's economy. The next, transportation cost of agriculture product can be minimized. Their help of the minimize the cost of finalized or finished goods, means the we can establish the agro-based industry in rural area, we can reduce the transportation cost, because farmer can produce and transport to the in rural urban area, and he can also pay the large amount of the transportation cost. After we can establishing the agro-based industry in rural area can reduce the transportation cost, or it is helpful to the reduce the transportation cost. Then next, avoid the wastage of the perishable agriculture commodity. In the agriculture, here is large amount of the agriculture perishable product. So we can establish the agro-based industry in that area. We can reduce the wastage of the agriculture. These are the different importance of agro-based industries. Okay. Next point is the types of agro-based industries. There are the 4 types of agro-based industries. Okay, there are 4 types of agro-based industries. Firstly, what is industry? Industry are the production of economic goods and services within the country of the economy. Industries is used to mean the productive activity in shares of the life or other where industries are also branch of economics activity concerned with the manufacturing of the goods, whether the finished product or semi product. In that there are 4 types of agro-based industries. Before we can see in the first point is the agro produce processing unit, manufacturing early now new product. They may be process of the raw material of so that it can be preserved and transported to the cheaper cost. For example, no new product in manufacture, only the processing of that raw material. For example, rice mill, dal mill, those are the agro produce processing unit. Means we can only the processes of that produce. Then second type is the agro produce manufacturing unit. In that we can manufacture new product or finished goods will be earlier different from its original raw material. Means we can use the raw material or change their form, or we can create a new product from that raw material. For example, sugarcane industries, you can use the sugarcane and produce a new product, means sugar. Then third type is the agro input manufacturing unit. Agro input manufacturing unit means industrial unit which produce goods either for mechanization of agriculture or increasing the productivity comes under this type, means agriculture implements. We can manufacturing the different input used in the farm. For example, agriculture implements, seeds, industry, pump set, fertilizer, pesticide are the different types of input are used in the farming for the production of the crop. Then last one is the agro service centers. Agro service centers means are the workshops or services centers which are engaged in the repairing and servicing of the pump set, detail engines, tractors and all type of the farm equipment. Those are the agro service centers. Then next last point is the needs of agro-based industries. Why agro-based industry is important? It is first is the suitable to the rural area as the raw material is oriented. Then next it upliftment of the rural economy. Then solve the problems of employment. The agro-based industries are established, we can solve the problem of unemployment. Then next generate the income and increase the standard of living. The agro-based industry can establish, we can generate the income of the rural economic people or increase their standard of living. Then reduce the disparity between the rural and urban area. Then next to encourage the balanced growth between the agriculture and industry, to solve the problem of exploitation, reduce the transportation cost, are the different types of importance to they see in the needs of agro-based industries, or they to improve the farm facilities or different types of needs to establish the agro-based industries. Okay, so all are the different concept of agro-based industries. Okay, thank you.